Viking 7381, Shanwick, go ahead.
Shanwick, Viking 7381, check open, 01829, flight level 360. Estimate Jonan 1859 and 40 north, 16 west is next.
Viking 7381, Shanwick, your position Omoko at 1829er. Your flight level is 360, going on 1859 or 40 north, 16 west. Your backup frequency is 8906. And at Golan cosine to me, your frequency 8906, backup 55908. Here is your circle.
Viking 7381, that's good cell call check, and at Jonan will still clear in 906 primary and 5598 secondary.
Thank you.
Shanwick, good evening, Viking 5828.
Viking 5828, Shanwick, go ahead.
Viking 5828, overhead, go now, 18370. Flight level 3970. 1.81. Omoko 1906 and control next.
Viking 5828, Shanwick, going on 1830, 390 Mach 81, Omoko 1906, Gunzo, your backup frequency is 8906, and approaching Omoko, call Shannon 135.6, here is your circle.
Omoko 156.
Thank you.